What's up guys, Visual here, but you can call me James, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 easy ways to get more clients as a graphic designer. So guys, I know a lot of you watching this video may design and you may really enjoy designing like me, and you want to turn that hobby into more of an income. You want to start earning some more money off designing, and the best way to do this is of course gaining clients. However, there is a lot of different ways you can try and earn more clients. In this video, I'm going to be going through the 5 best ways to earn some more clients. Whether you are a beginner designer, an intermediate designer, whatever, it doesn't matter. You will be able to gain some more clients after watching this video. I did a video on this topic ages ago, however that was like 2 years ago, so I will be recycling some of these ideas and also introducing new ones, and yeah, hopefully you do go on to enjoy. So without further ado, let's get on with the first way to get more clients as a graphic designer. Okay, so the first way to gain more clients is going to be using Instagram. Now, I know this may seem pretty simple, but I barely ever uploaded my designs onto Instagram, and I've literally only started doing it and I realized how good it is. If you go ahead and actively post on your Instagram, that's going to be reaching a different kind of audience. You're not just going to be using Twitter and say like your portfolio, you're going to be able to branch out and attract some customers using Instagram. However, you don't just want to go ahead and post your design, that's it, because it's not really going to reach anybody apart from your current followers. So what you want to do is you first of all want to include hashtags. Now, hashtags, I know they are oversaturated, but you need to include these. At least I'm going to say 5, around about 5 is a good amount, because you don't want to, of course, spam your like, you don't want to spam your caption with loads and loads of tags, because that's just not going to look professional at all. So as I said, I recommend using around about 5 tags, and you want to use non-oversaturated tags. So you want to try and find some tags that have, I'm going to say, from 500k to about 1 million posts on them. You don't want anything big. You don't want like a big hashtag like Throwback Thursday or Follow for Follow. Don't use any of those, because those are way too oversaturated and no one's going to see your design. As well as this though guys, you also want to make sure that you are still using Twitter. I've said this before, but Twitter is #1 the best social media to post designs on. So as well as using Instagram, make sure you post the same on Twitter. Okay guys, so the next tip I have is to use Twitter search. Now, I recommend this mainly for beginner designers. If you have a fair amount of following on Twitter, don't do this because it looks really unprofessional. But if you are a beginner designer and you want to gain some clients, then I definitely recommend you do this. The only issue with this is that it does take a little bit of effort from you, but if you want to gain some clients, I definitely recommend you do this. So the way that the Twitter search works is when you're on the homepage of Twitter, in the top right hand corner you will see a search bar, and you can go ahead and search keywords on there, and it will showcase tweets that include those words or sentences, whatever. An example of a super popular one may be need a design or need a graphic designer, and when you search that, you will see all of the most recent tweets. If you change like the filter to the latest, you will see the latest tweets from people on Twitter that say that they need a designer. However, I will be leaving a link in the description down below to a list of keywords that you can put in the Twitter search. You can go ahead, then find people, you can reply to their tweet or just simply DM them. That's the best way, because you don't of course want to spam your followers with loads of like tweet replies. So maybe go ahead and DM the person, and then you can go ahead and link them your portfolio from there, tell them your prices, and you've basically gained a client. Okay, so my third tip is going to be to create a variety of designs. Now, by this I mean not sticking to the same type of design. You don't want to just limit yourself to just YouTube banners, because when someone sees your work, they like it, but they want, say for example, an album cover art, and you have no examples of that on your portfolio or on your Twitter, then they may go ahead and go to another person. So in order to reduce this and gain the most amount of clients as possible, you want to try and create a variety of different designs. You want YouTube banners, maybe logos, album cover arts, you want like avatars, maybe even photography. Just vary the amount of designs that you have on your website and also portfolio. I've personally done this recently. I branched out to album cover arts. I started designing some of those because I find them really enjoyable to design, and I actually made one for my favorite rapper T Grizzly, and I posted it on Instagram, which is using the first tip, and he saw it. I tagged him on it and he actually liked and also commented, so I was really happy with that. He's my favorite rapper. I'm gonna sound like a fanboy here, but that was just an example. I started creating a different type of design and it worked out for me. I also gained some clients as well because he liked it on Twitter, and I started having people message me asking for album cover art. So this is a really good way, of course, to create a variety of designs. Okay, so number 4, we have designing for your favorite YouTubers and celebrities. I kind of spoke about this in the previous point, but designing for YouTubers and celebrities is a really good way to, first of all, practice, because a lot of the time you limit yourself if you just do client work. By doing designs for like YouTubers, you can actually go ahead and make what you wish, and then if they do go ahead and see it, if you tag them on Twitter, you tag them on Instagram, whatever, and you start getting likes and replies on that tweet, then they will eventually see it, and then they may go ahead and use it. First of all, they may contact you for more work, and also if they like, they reply or they retweet, their fans will go ahead and see that as well, and you may gain some potential customers that way. Okay, so the 5th and final tip I have is going to be live streaming design on YouTube. Now this is a secret tip I have because I find YouTube a lot better than Twitch for especially designers. If you're a gamer, then Twitch is definitely better, but for designers, I find YouTube so much better. If you live stream graphic design, whether it be creating a YouTube banner or designing a logo, if you go ahead and share that stream around, enough people will join. Also, a lot of it goes on to the recommended on people's YouTube pages if they are already subbed to certain people, and new people will join your stream. I can guarantee that, and you will be able to gain some clients that way. A small tip I have is to use the extension Nightbot. This is not sponsored, but I definitely recommend you use Nightbot. It's an automated bot, and you can go ahead and have it post your website or your portfolio or your Twitter, and that will gain you some clients because then they can go ahead and contact you and also see your work. So guys, that is it for the video. Those are the 5 ways to get more clients as a graphic designer. If you have any more tips and want to help people out, make sure to leave them in the comments down below. If you did go ahead and enjoy this video, also I did share a lot of my secrets. I would appreciate it if you did leave a like on this video. As I said, that would be much appreciated. If you want to go ahead and check out my Selfie page, over on there I have all of my graphics packs, so if you're interested in improving your designs, your client work, then definitely go ahead and check out my most recent pack. It's the Duo pack featuring a designer called Mixo. Regardless, as I said, hopefully you did enjoy this video. This has been Visual or James, and I'm out. Peace.
Not the same, we're not the same. We're not the same, we're not the same. Not the same, we're not the same. We're not the same, we're not the same. What they call you, that's a different name. We're not